this integral can be solved many ways. Now what I will do is I will break this angle over here. Here you can see cos of 2x over here. Okay. So I will break this cos 2x and then I will substitute cos x equals to u. Let's see. Now we have cos of 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. This we have formula. Now let's substitute over here. This is as limit of 0 to pi 2x sine of x upon 3 plus cos 2x. I can write 2 cos square x minus 1 dx. So just I am using the formula. Now let's substitute u equals to cos of x. Okay. Then my differentiation du equals to differentiation cos is what? Minus sin x dx. So minus du equals to sin x dx. Now what about limits? Limit when x tends to 0. So cos 0 is what? 1. Therefore u tends to 1. When x tends to pi, cos of pi is what? Minus 1. U tends to minus 1. And then from here, what is x? From here, x equals to cos inverse u. So let's substitute over here. Therefore this become 0 to pi become 1 to minus 1. Here 1 to minus 1. Twice x is what? Cos inverse u. Sin x into dx become sin x into dx become minus du upon 3 plus 2 cos square is what? It become 2u square minus 1. Okay. So this minus, what I am doing is this minus I will remove by interchanging the limits. So this become minus 1 to plus 1. So I am removing this minus. Okay. Now here 3 minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1 is 2. So I can write here over here 3 here 2 over here 2 into this. Now again I can take 2 common over here. If I take 2 common, then it become 1 plus u square. And then this 2 and this 2 I can get cancelled. So I will remove this. These 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. We can solve this integral by integration by parts. So I am solving this integration by parts. So let's consider integral minus 1 to 1 cos inverse u 1 plus u square. We have du. Okay. Now let's consider this is first function and this is second function. So is equals to first function as it is here cos inverse u. Now integral of 1 upon 1 plus u square is what? Tan inverse u. Tan inverse u, and limit is from minus 1 to 1 minus integral minus 1 to 1. Differentiation of cos inverse u is 1 upon square root of 1 minus u square into integral of become tan inverse u and du. Okay. Now here this is what? This is odd function. Okay. Here this is odd function. So this is what? Odd function. You can say this is odd function. Now integral of minus 1 to 1 odd function become, or whole this become what? Whole this become 0. Now we have only this. Okay. Now let's substitute upper limit minus lower limit. This is same as cos inverse 1 into tan inverse 1 upper limit minus lower limit is cos inverse minus 1 into tan inverse minus 1. Cos inverse 1 is how much? Yeah, we have this becomes 0 minus, yeah, this become pi into minus pi by 4. Okay. So here minus minus plus pi into pi is pi square upon 4. So this is a required